All right. So I had a Bluetti that got messed up. As y'all know, I made a lot of videos if you follow me using Bluetti, and for some reason it just stopped charging. One day it was real cold, and even though when it warmed up, it still didn't charge. But I gotta give Bluetti credit because they honored their warranty. I went in the Facebook group and they had representatives that talked to me and gave me some advice, told me to go to the website. Then I went to the website, filled out the stuff with the warranty customer service, and they sent me a form so that I could ship my stuff back and replace it. This is actually, I was actually an Indiegogo customer, so when I first saw this thing, I was amazed, and I wanted to get the Bluetti AC200. But then after I got my package, I heard that they was shipping the 200p. So I was kind of like, oh man, because the 200p had a better battery in it. But it was working well, you know. I made a lot of videos about it. But then when everything messed up, I guess it gave me an opportunity to get the 200p model. So don't know what's in here, because it looked like they shipped everything. I just wanted to replace the Bluetti. Oh, okay, maybe it's just this one thing. But they said they sent me a 200p, which is the better battery. So I'm excited about that. It was weird. It's serendipitous. Unfortunate mistake. Like in the old days, they always say in church, God don't make no mistakes, and He don't. But I ain't gonna say this is not a spiritual matter. As far as like me getting a toy, but anything, any blessing I get do come from God. But I ain't gonna say like it was some, like I was gonna use this for some divine purpose. Try to keep that in perspective. I'm not one of those. All right. So hopefully it's showing up on camera. Let me see if I can get this. All right, so it come up. Got this little book with it. That came with the first one. Look like they gave me a brand new pack. Wow, they replaced the whole thing. Now I feel bad. So I kept some of the accessories, but they told me just ship back the machine, the unit. But that's good customer service. So thank you, Bluetti. Kudos to you. A much better charging block. The first charging block, they didn't have this fan. I believe it was a fan in the inside, but you didn't have these large vents to let out heat. I think that's going to keep this much cooler, so a much better model of power supply. So, you know, that's a blessing already. I can tell that's going to be good. All right, let's see what else is in this box. Like I said, they shipped me the whole thing. I got rid of this, so that's good. I got some extra cords, so I can do other experiments with it. So they replaced all of my cords. I think last time I had a bigger bag, but this is awesome. So this is what any a brand new customer would get. So I am amazed by that. I don't even need to open this. I got my MC4 connectors for solar. Got the car charger adapter. Got the aviation plug. This is awesome. I'm excited about that. Look, this is good. This is how you keep my loyalty as a customer. When you fulfill your warranties and help people out. I can't wait. I think I'm gonna go ahead and spring for that 300 or maybe that 500 series, the AC300 or that EP500. All right, in the inside, got me a brand new fresh Bluetti. Ooh, this thing is heavy. I think it's 60 pounds. Nice, healthy. You can work out with this thing. All right, so let's see. I was struggling, y'all. So when it stopped working, I left it on the charger for days. I did the solar power and didn't work. They said, look, it might have been default. They fixed it, so they support. Sometimes people are scared to do Indiegogo programs because you might get left with trash or you might not get nothing at all. Not only did they show up and gave me my stuff on time, I didn't have to wait that long, but when there was a problem, they fixed it. So
I turn it on.
My son said he wanted to turn it off.
Okay.
Whoa.
That's right.
That's pretty good. So it came back on. That's why I like to see a good screen. Let's see what this charge.
I think it's bigger than the other one.
Nah, it's the same.
Yeah.
So that is they call it confirmation bias. Placebo effect, not confirmation bias. Placebo effect. I teach psychology. I should know that. All right. So it started off 63% out of the box. Let's test it out and get my iPhone. Put it on. It's in the case. I thought I had the what you call it. Oh, gotta turn DC on. So I'll turn my DC on.
Charge it.
All right. Let's see. I'll put it on there. There you go. Charging up.
That's raw.
Cool beans, man. So very happy with that. Once again, thank you, Bluetti. Look forward to more videos. I can start putting this thing to the test once again and use it with some different applications. Let's see how this works. All right, take care. God bless.